Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
What if your land title could never be stolen, lost, or forged, because it lives forever on the blockchain? From rural villages in Africa to megacities in Asia, millions of people lose land each year due to fraud, corruption, or missing records. But a new weapon is emerging, and it's not a court, it's code. Traditional land registries are vulnerable. Paper records rot, databases get hacked, officials can be bribed. In some countries, proving you own your own land is nearly impossible. That's not just unfair, it's a multi-trillion-dollar problem holding back economies. Enter GeoBlockchain, where GIS meets blockchain. Think of it as a global, decentralized map that can't be altered without everyone knowing. Every plot of land is a block with its own coordinates, ownership history, and legal rights, all verified and time-stamped across thousands of computers. When you buy land, the transfer is recorded as a blockchain transaction. A smart contract checks the details, the GPS boundaries, and even environmental restrictions instantly. Once approved, it's locked in forever. No tampering, no middlemen, it's already happening. In Georgia, 1.5 million land titles are now on blockchain. Sweden's Lantmäteriet is testing blockchain land sales that cut weeks of paperwork into minutes. And in Ghana, NGOs are mapping rural land directly into blockchain registries to prevent disputes. Imagine refugees proving ownership of their farmland from anywhere in the world. Imagine cross-border land sales in seconds. Imagine climate protections baked into land contracts. GeoBlockchain could rewrite the rules for property rights forever. But here's the twist. For GeoBlockchain to work, governments, tech, and citizens must all trust the same system. Can we get there? Or will the old paper deeds still rule? Tell me, would you trust the blockchain with your land?
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.